welcome back to my channel. So it's been very long time, I think a month, and today I'm finally shooting one video for you. Actually, let me tell you one story. Actually, I have shifted from Guwahati to Tejpur, as I already told you in my previous video, and here the schedule is so hectic. I cannot tell you how hectic it is. Like from morning 9 till 5:30 we have class, and I cannot manage time to shoot, but today luckily we have off, and I managed time for my subscriber and sit here to shoot. And I have came up with a very interesting video today. It's all about mascara. This mascara, I mean, not a review, nothing like that. It's just about like what you can do with a single mascara. You won't believe, I have done my brows, I have done my eye makeup, my wing liner, my I've concealed this part, I've done my brows, I've done work like a brow gel, and so many more things that you can do with it. So if you want to know what other things that you can do with a mascara apart from coating your lashes, and if you're interested in that, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video, because I am super excited to share all these things with you. And believe me, I've achieved this look. Smoky eyes also I've done using this mascara only, no other eyeshadows at all. You can see this, it is done using this mascara only. And of course the brushes, obviously you're gonna need a lot of brushes, different kind of brushes to achieve this look. So yeah, let's just start it with the video. So the very first, I'm going to go with a wing liner. So for that, take any kind of mascara that you have and a brush like so, and take a little product in that brush and do a wing liner as I am doing. Drag a line from the corner of your eyes and then fill the eyelid area as a wing liner, and you're good to go. Take some more product from the brush and build up the intensity as you like, and you're done. Repeat the exact same step on the other eyes and you're done. So as you can see, with a mascara you can achieve such good wing eyeliner. Secondly, I'm going to use it, of course, as a mascara to coat my lashes. So it does not need any kind of explanation, but still, if you want, you can take the product and coat your lashes to separate them and lengthening them, and as well as for volume, and you're good to go. Nextly, I'm using it as a brow filler. For that, I am taking a spoolie and combing my hairs off the brows, and then taking the product with an angle brush like so and start to filling in the brows. And I'm starting it from the arch of the brows, and I'm just spreading the product all over the brows to give it a shape. As you can see, this is very natural on the eyes. It looks really natural, and it actually works as a brow product. So you definitely not gonna need separate product for your brows. If you're in the budget, you can work with a mascara also. So as you can see, it has filled up the brows very nicely, and repeating the same step, do the other brow, and it's done. Now for the brow gel, I'm taking a mascara one that is dry and has no product in it, and I'm taking a little product from the brush and then working it as a brow gel. And trust me, this works absolutely fine as a brow gel, and it keeps my brows at its place, and it works throughout. So you need not to have an extra product for your brows. to keep them in place. For concealing my scalp part, I'm taking the same mascara one and taking a little bit of product on that and start concealing the sparse area of my forehead, and keep on repeating the same step until you're happy with the result and you're done. Last but not the least, you can even use the mascara as your eyeshadow. Trust me, I'm not kidding. Take a flat shader brush like so and take a little bit of product onto that brush and spread it onto your lids like so.
The future's far away, but I'll stay, I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me.
Once you're done spreading the product, take a blending brush and blend out the harsh edges for a smooth look, and you will be done.
'Cause I feel again, I feel again, oh now
For finishing up the look, I am using some lashes and you're done with the whole look. So as you can see, with just one mascara, you can totally achieve a very sexy, glamorous look. You can do your eyeshadows, your brows, your brow gel, your concealer and whatnot. So if you have one mascara with you, you are done for your entire look. With the video, guys, I hope you guys liked it. It's very important tutorial because many of us, like, want to have a smoky eyes, but just because we don't have that eyeshadow palette where we can, through which we can do the eye makeup. So I have shown you a trick that you can achieve a very good smoky eyes with using this mascara only. Not only this, any kind of mascara that you have in your home, you can achieve a similar look like this. And sometimes people cannot achieve eyebrows just because they don't have that eyebrow palette or something. You don't need not to have this, you just need to know the trick, and I have shared these tricks in today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, you know the drill. You have to subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys with other more tutorials very soon. Till my next video, wait till my next video, and I love you all. Bye.
what we got so intense.